This is my 2005 Honda Civic, 5-speed sedan, LX. And this is the wiring for the backup camera for the 10-inch radio upgrade in these cars. So to start, I ran this video wire from the back. You can see I ran it along here up, and then I'll tidy all this up after the video. And then I just ran it all the way along, removed the plastics along the bottom here, up underneath the dash, and then up and around. And then I'll show you what connections you need to be done. So I got these T-tap connections to the backup lens bulb. And you can see here that this is the power, so you need ground, which is the black wire right here. And then you need power, which is the red one coming off of this, goes to the green. And then also for this yellow connector, there's this red wire coming off of it. You need power for that too. And I just ran that off of the green as well. So I'll just give that a second so you can see how I did that. And then you can see this just kind of wires up behind. And then there's the backup camera. I did spin this bracket around. If you see, it makes it a little bit more flush up against the car. And then now I'll come up front. And then that way you can see what I did. Like I said, everything else was ran up underneath. Just dropped the glove box up through here. And then what I needed was this 10 pin goes to this corner right here. Comes up into here, and then this red needs to connect to this pink that says back. And I've seen some other models might have a different color, but they all should be labeled back. You connect these two together. I just use this to, I'm going to do this better, but I just use this for the time being for testing. And then you can see this is the other end of the cable that came up, just goes into here. And then I'll show you. And there's the camera when you put it in reverse. So if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. But just so you can see, off of the video feed, you need this power go into this pink one that says back. And then this just goes into this connector into the back of the radio. All right, thanks.